There's three. There's the curriculum of the IIBT Foundation program. There's the curriculum of the Australian curriculum, but the basis is the Indonesian curriculum. So this, I don't believe, has been done anywhere else, where we actually say, okay, there's the mother curriculum, and that's the Indonesian one. We lay over that the Australian curriculum and say, okay, what is not in the Indonesian curriculum that is in the Australian curriculum?
Yeah.
Do you find it?
Just a few minor things, right? Because the two countries have worked very closely together in getting curriculums, getting levels of curriculums, and so we did find a few little things, but you know, nothing major. So that's overlaid on top of the internet. Then we have our special foundation program, and that curriculum is then laid over the top of the tool. Now, some of those things are skills. All right. Anybody going to university, for example, they cannot plagiarise. You readers probably would need to know what plagiarism is. That's when I take something